in Germany, at least the authentic one does. As you can see from the board behind me, this is the 8th day of Oktoberfest, and I'm really excited to show you guys how it takes place in Munich. And this is my first time attending this festival. If you don't know about Oktoberfest is basically the world's largest beer festival, which happens only in Germany. Oktoberfest starts from September mid and goes up till first week of October. If you are in Germany and you would like to attend the Oktoberfest, it will go on till October 3rd. And now without further ado, let's go inside. Come with me. The Oktoberfest is the world's largest beer and funfair festival, and it started in 1810. It was cancelled only in exceptional cases like world wars and pandemic. This year it is happening after a break of 2 years due to the pandemic. The Oktoberfest takes place for a period of 2 to 3 weeks starting mid-September into the first week of October. Many people from around the world visit Munich to attend this festival. The whole area is full of thousands and thousands of people, no matter any day or any time you go. The gates open at 10 am during weekdays and 9 am on weekends. The Oktoberfest has mainly 2 walkways, one for the several beer tents, each having a different and unique decoration, and then the second one for the fun fair and rides. The highlight is the time spent in different tents hosted by different breweries, each having their own unique design and music band. The beer tents are huge structures which can hold many thousands of people at a single time. One must definitely visit as many tents as possible to experience the different atmosphere each tent offers. Any tent you choose, you will witness large number of people drinking beer and dancing on the table to live music and having a great time. For this festival, the beer is specially brewed, which makes it a bit stronger than the regular ones served in Germany. Some of the tents require pre-booking of a table almost a year in advance, and most of them are reserved for companies. If you're planning to travel to Germany for the Oktoberfest, you should pre-book your tickets, as booking it in the month of the festival it would be a lot costlier. In this festival you will find many people wearing their traditional Bavarian attire called Tracht. Men wear a lederhosen and women wear something called Dirndl. A beer served in any of the beer tents will cost you €13.50 per litre. And the fun rides can cost you somewhere between 8 to 20 euros. .
It is advised to carry cash during this festival as lots of gaming and food stalls don't accept credit cards or debit cards. The best ride of Oktoberfest is the roller coaster ride, Ferris wheel, Skyfall and Bayern Tower. The Oktoberfest lights up in the evening, making the festival look more colorful, vibrant and fun. I went in the evening around 5 so I could see the fest at daylight as well as night time. At last, I would like to say that Oktoberfest is a unique and amazing experience and has a jolly and fantastic atmosphere that one should not miss. Thank you all for joining me through this tour. I hope today's video was insightful for you all. Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.